A blinking green light on your T-Mobile hotspot, coupled with a blank screen, usually indicates a problem with connectivity, power, or firmware. This often means the device is struggling to connect to the cellular network or Wi-Fi. The no-screen issue can arise when the device's operating system fails to load the display driver, potentially due to a power surge, overheating, or an incomplete firmware update. The first steps involve simple troubleshooting. Start by power cycling. Unplug the device, wait about a minute to fully discharge, and plug it back in. If the screen remains off, try a hard reset by pressing and holding the reset button, usually a small pinhole, for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. These initial steps often resolve temporary glitches without data loss. If power cycling and resetting don't work, the next step is to update the firmware. Connect your hotspot to a computer via USB and use the T-Mobile app or their firmware tool to download the latest version. Outdated firmware is a common cause, as it might not support newer interfaces or have bug fixes. For instance, ensure you're running the latest version for your model, such as version 1.2.3 for the Connect 5G released in August 2025. If the problem persists, check the SIM card. Remove and reinsert it, inspecting for any physical damage. If the screen remains off after these steps, it could indicate a faulty LCD panel, which might require professional repair. Remember, T-Mobile's official troubleshooting guide states that a simple reset resolves most issues. If these steps don't work, contact T-Mobile support or a certified repair center for further assistance.